So hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video of me unboxing a fresh pair of kicks that I got my hands on. So this time is a very special one because I got this from one of my brother from Nepal, and this is what the kicks looks like. So this is the fresh pair guys that I got gifted from my brother from Nepal. And yeah, I'll be giving you some insights of what this shoe looks like and how does it feel. So first things first guys, it's a very good looking shoe, and probably as per the look it kind of resembles the woodland, and the fit and finish feels really nice. And I wanted some kind of a terrain hiking kind of a shoe, and I'm very glad that I got this as a gift. So price is gonna be something, a factor that I'm not aware. So you can comment down below guys if you know the price and what's the cost in Nepal. So it says out here that AOTL Sports. So let me know in the comment which brand is it. I googled it a little bit and it was showing that it's from an overseas brand which probably gets imported to Nepal, and that's how the consumers get a hold of this particular shoe. So the fit and finish feels really nice, and the sole that they've used is very cushiony. Probably you can wear this for a very long time and go for a hike, because Nepal, as you can know, it's a very mountainous place full of trekking sites that you can visit. So having this pair in that particular city is really a good thing. So and as you can I wanted some rough and tough kind of a shoe for my Royal Enfield. I'm planning for a trip maybe in few days or few months. So I wanted a shoe that is rugged, that you can use while riding as well as for hiking. So this is gonna be one of my go-to pair, I will say. So this is what the close-up looks like. As you can see guys, they have I like this how they have used a very shiny material on it, and you have this breathable kind of material out there, which doesn't if you're wearing the shoe for a very long time, it will not keep the moist inside, but your feet will remain dry and maintain the hygiene as well. So this is a 360 view of this shoe. They have used, this color is kind of a khaki color which resembles the army kind of a thing. So they have used the black, the yellow logo out here, and this one, the army green, I would say. So I've worn this is a size 8. I worn this for a couple of minutes and it very feels comfortable on your feet, and I will definitely recommend. Probably it's I feel like it will come under a budget. It will not be that expensive, but compared to whatever sort of price this is tagged at, it feels and fit and finish feels really nice. It feels very rugged, and the quality and fit and finish, it's top notch, I would say, top notch. So yeah guys, this is what the shoe looks like. Here's the tongue, and it says made in China out here. So as I mentioned earlier, probably it's imported from outside, and I'm I'm correct on that, because this shoe is imported from China, and I'll say they did a very good job creating this shoe. I'll just take a thumbnail. Just take a thumbnail. So yeah guys, that is very much it. Hope you like this video. If you find this informative, do like and share and subscribe, and comment down below if you have worn this, or if you have got your hands on this particular shoe. Let me know in the comment the fit and finish, and how much does it cost in Nepal or in India, and you can give the feedback and the drawbacks of this shoe as well. With that said, thank you so much, brother, for this particular gift. I'm very much thankful and humbled. And yeah guys, God bless. And yeah guys, that's the end of the video. As I said, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Bye bye guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.